Hey guys, this is Gopi. Today I wanted to talk about the difference a container size make on the root development and the plant development when you start seeds. So let's compare two different ways I have started seeds and how they are growing. Let me show you. Don't forget to get the link of the free seed starting schedule that is completely customizable for your growing zone, so you know exactly which seed to start and when. This is a seed starting tray. It has holes in the bottom so the water can drain out. I have planted this seed. These are pepper seeds. I have planted them on February 2nd and today is March 4th. So it's about 1 month growth, about 30 days growth. So as you can see, they are doing well, they are healthy, but I planted about 20-25 seeds because I was not sure about the germination rate of these seeds. These are quite old seeds, but yeah, quite a few of them germinated and they are doing okay. And these are other kinds of peppers, so they are pepper seedlings as well, and they are also planted on the same day as the other container was that I just showed you on February 2nd. So these are also about 1 month old, but as you can see they are much taller and much healthier. Now let me show you both of them side by side. So now you can see the difference. Both of them started on the same day. Now these are much smaller than these peppers. These peppers on the individual cell tray, they are on their second true sets of the leaves, which is not the case for this one. They are just developing their first set of true leaves. Now let me measure them. They are about 1.5 inches tall versus the one in the individual cell. It's close to 3.5 inches tall. Let me show you the root development of both of them. I'm gonna dig out one of the plant here, and as imagine, the root is quite tangled in this one. It's not easy to separate them out. Okay, so this is the root growth for this plant. I'm gonna put it back here, and let's see one of these. I'm gonna go with the middle one, so not too tall, not too small. This is the massive root system. It's healthy, it's not tangled, so this is quite healthy root system. So you saw the difference. Clearly the plants in this individual cell are doing better than the seed starting tray, but does that mean you always start seeds in the individual cells? Well, not really. When you are not sure about the germination rate of old seeds, or you have plenty of seeds and it's okay if you waste some of them, then I would rather start seeds in seed starting tray and then separate them out when they are at about this age into individual containers, so that way you don't waste space and material and seeds when you plant in the individual container. And at the same time, if you have a very expensive seeds or very rare seeds, then you want to be very diligent about them and put those seeds in this one, so they have best chance to grow. They don't compete for the nutrition and water like these seedlings do, and they survive better in this individual cells. These plants are sharing the same growing environment with each other, so if one of them get infected, then it's a greater chance for the disease to spread to other plants, and entirely possible that you lose all of them to a virus or bacterial disease. But he in this kind of condition, if one of the plant get infected or something happen, you can easily pop them out and then just toss them out and start those seeds again. So both of these have their own pros and cons. Personally, I prefer the individual cells better because of the movability, because of the health of the plant and how they grow. The real estate under my grow light is prime, so I want to maximize that, and I really like the way plants are doing in this individual cells. I hope this provided you with some insights about picking the container size for your next seed starting adventure. If you have any question, please put it in the comment and I will make sure to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, where I will put more comparison and tips videos for you guys to learn.